If people click on your video and leave before 30 seconds, YouTube will think that that very content is bad, even when it's not. In the next few minutes, I'll show you the one mistake that makes viewers who click or who watch your video leaves early and how to fix that very mistake. You finally got clicked, but the views didn't still grow as expected or as you think. Why? Because people or your viewers are leaving that content early or they are leaving the video early. In this video, I'll explain retention and AVD, which is average view duration, what they actually means concerning your video. Hi guys, welcome to this channel. My name is Adia. In this channel, I talk about YouTube growth tips, YouTube education, and how to grow as a content creator or as a new YouTuber on YouTube. Okay, now let's get right into it. Here, retention means how long people stay to watch your video or how long people stay on that particular video watching. A video of 5 minutes, if someone watching for like 3 minutes, 2 minutes, it means the retention for that particular video on that same viewer is 2 minutes out of 5. If someone watches that video for like 3 minutes, the retention is 3 minutes out of the 5-minute video. And now, average view duration means the average time they stay to watch. If 5 people watches your content for like 2 minutes each, then the average view duration for that 5-minute video is 2 minutes. If like 10 people watches your content, 5 watch for 2 minutes and 3 watch for 1 minute and like the remaining watch for like that same 5 minutes. So the average view duration for that particular content is those minutes joined together and divided by the number of people that watch that content. That's where you get the average view duration for that particular video. And that's how YouTube calculates for like 1,000 views, 10,000 views, 100,000 views. That's the same method YouTube uses to calculate the average view duration for each video or for each content. So in this video, we are talking about some people watching your content for like 30 seconds and leaving. That will actually affect your average view duration because someone will watch your content for that same 5 minutes complete watch, and someone will come and watch that very content for like 3 minutes, or let's say for 30 seconds and leaves. Then definitely that 30 seconds will be calculated together with the person that watched it for like for that 5 minutes. So you see, that will definitely affect your average view duration. It will be low. Okay, now so let's talk about why people leave your content early. So here, some of the major reasons why people leave your content early are weak hook, slow intros, long greetings, talking before saying the values. And that gives the people no reason to continue watching that same content. Let me break it down. Okay, now a weak hook is a situation whereby your first 5 to 10 seconds doesn't give the viewers the reason why he should continue watching your content. So people click and then think, why should I continue watching this content? Then they leave. Here are some few examples of weak hook. Starting your content with long greeting and then talking about yourself for long before giving the viewers the value they want to get from your content. Not saying the problem or the benefits early enough, and also being slow to get to the point. Okay, let me put it like this. A weak hook means I didn't tell you the reason why you should continue watching this very content. I started talking, but I didn't give you the reason why you should stay and watch till the end. Okay, here a slow intro means taking too long to get to the main point of that very video. Let me tell you this, as a new YouTuber or as a new content creator, people on YouTube decide in seconds if they'll stay to continue watching your content. If nothing interesting happens or if there's nothing interesting about your content in that early seconds of your video, then they'll click away. And then here are some simple examples of slow intros. Long hello everyone, this is this is that, and again explaining the backstory first. Also, talking around the topics without going to the main points. And some content creators put long music or long logo intros of their channel. So people decide in seconds. When you start putting so much intros of the logo of your channel on that content, some people just click away because they are there for the value. When you don't tell them the value fast, they will click away. Alright, here is a simple meaning I put to a slow intros. A slow intro is when I take too long to get to the main point of my video. People didn't come to greet me or to come to watch my channel logo intros. They came to solve a problem. Here's a simple statement I will give you as a new content creator to always remember. Start with the problem, promise, then solution, and then you continue your content. So now, let me give you a simple hook formula you can use for your next content. Start with the problem, then the promise, and then create curiosity to your audience. That's in your hook, in your first 10 to 30 seconds of your video. Okay, let me say this. If your retention is low, it's not your personality, it's your opening. Stop greeting. Start with the problem. So let's talk about the hook formula in terms of problem, promise, and then the curiosity you create. In your hook, make sure you call out the pains. For example, your video gets impression but there are no views. Or people click your videos and then leaves in seconds. And then here's another example. You keep posting but your channel is not growing. These are some of the pains some new YouTubers or some content creators are facing. Call out the pains in your hook. Then add a promise to that very pain. Like tell them what you are going to help them solve or fix, or what will make them, or what will help them understand. But let me give you some examples of the promise. It's like, in this video, I will show you why this is happening. Or today, I will show you the one mistake causing this. These are all promise. And again, you can also say, I will break this down in a simple way. These are promises you can add up in your hook that will make people curious, like to want to stay, to watch that content to the end. And in terms of curiosity, give them a simple mystery that will make them want to stay and watch to the end. These are some examples of mystery you can add up in your hook. It's not what you think. This is an example. Also, small creators get this wrong. This is another example of curiosity. And another one is this. One small change can fix this. Okay, let's put this together. Let me give you an analytical example. Your video gets impressions, but there are no views. In this video, I will show you why this is happening. And it's not what most creators think. So this is an example of analytical hook that comprises of the problem, the promise, and then the curiosity that will want to make your viewer to stay and watch your content till the end. Okay, here's another example of a hook in terms of retention. People click your videos and leave in 30 seconds. Today, I will show you how to fix that. And one small change will keep people watching. This is an example of the problem, the promise, and then the curiosity joined together in a simple hook that will make people to want to watch your content till the end. So that's it. Problem, promise, and then curiosity. So if your retention is low, it's not your personality, it's your opening. Stop greeting and start with the problems. Low retention doesn't mean your content is bad. It means your opening needs work. This is a skill, and skills can be learned. If this helped you, or if you found value in this video, please subscribe and put a like on this video so that YouTube can show this content to other creators. Thanks for watching all through to the end. See you in my next content. Bye.